Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a simple VBA macro to automatically highlight specific words in a column which you enter in cell G2. For example, if you have data in column B and you want to highlight all occurrences of a word you enter in cell G2, this macro will make it happen quickly and efficiently. Here we have a list of countries and corresponding description in column B, and in cell G2 we will enter the word we want to highlight. Let's jump into the VBA code that makes this happen. Press Alt F11 to open the VBA editor. The code is available in module 1. In the code, initially we have set up few variables. Last row variable is used to determine the last row of data in the column B, and word to highlight variable is used to store the word from cell G2. Now here we are changing the font of column B to default settings to remove any previous formatting. Now here we have set up the range where code will search and highlight the words. For loop will go through every cell in column B. It will check if the word given in cell G2 exists inside that cell. While loop will search for each instance of the word in the particular cell. If the word is found, in-string method will give the starting position of the word, which will be saved in start pause variable, and the end position of the word will be stored in variable end pause. Cell.characters.font is used in VBA to format the font. Here we are changing the font color of searched text to red and size to 25. At the end, we are replacing the value of start pause by end pause plus 1 to search and highlight all the words available within a cell. Also, we are setting the value of start pause to 1 to start the search from the first word when code will move from one cell to another. Now press F5 to run the macro, and it will highlight all matching words in column B based on what is available in cell G2. You can add a button in Excel, right click and attach the macro to the button. Change the word in G2, click the button and it will highlight the words in column B. If you want to change the color of the highlighted words to blue and bold, change the RGB color to 00 and 255 and type dot bold is equal to true. Run the macro and it will make the text to bold and color to blue. So that's how you can use VBA to highlight specific words in a column based on the input in another cell. It's a quick and easy way to format your data and make important words stand out. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thank you.